All right, I'm back with another HomeDepot.com deal of the day. It is today only, Father's Day, June 21st, 2026. And I want to wish you guys a happy Father's Day if you are a dad. I hope you have a great day today. And I'm going to go over some deals here on HomeDepot.com as well as some Lowe's daily deals that they have. So I'm going to first start off over at the Lowe's, and they do have some options that are pretty decent so I wanted to mention here. So first up, they have a deal on the Bosch 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch 12 amp 2 1/4 horsepower variable speed combo fixed plunge router for $149. It was $279, and you can click right here on the shop all, and they actually have more deals under the routers. And I specifically wanted to mention this Bosch 1/4 inch one, the 1 horsepower variable speed one. That's $79. That is saving $60 on that one, and that is an excellent router, and that is a pretty good deal for this router. And just so you know, I will put a couple links down on a pinned comment so you can go directly to the daily deals on both Lowe's and Home Depot, and you can go right to the deal that you want to look for. And I will make a small commission on that if you decide to use a link, and I really do appreciate that support. It does help the channel. And then they do have a fixed base router by Bosch also for that's $139, and that was $219. And here's a good deal on a Craig pocket hole jig. They have that priced at only $59, and it was $109. So it's another excellent deal there from Lowe's. Those are the ones I wanted to mention here from Lowe's today. And they do have a deal on the DeWalt. It's a 120-piece bit set. That's for $30, but just wanted to make you aware that this is not impact rated, but it does include some drill bits. So it might be a decent price for this kit. Just you can't use it in an impact driver. Otherwise, you will break those bits without a doubt. And they do have some Klein Tools options between the ear muffs as well as safety glasses. Some decent savings on those as well. So again, I'll put a link down in the description below for that Lowe's daily deals page right here. All right, now I'll get into some Home Depot options. So to start off, they do have some storage options as well as workbenches by the Husky brand. And some of them have some decent savings of like 15 to 20% off on some of these configurations. But I'm going to kind of just skip over them, and you certainly check them out if you're looking for some garage storage. And they offer some great storage solutions by the Husky brand, and even the new age products that they have as well. But they do have different options of workbenches and that are adjustable height. But I'm just going to scroll down to the power tools. So they do have a deal on the DeWalt drywall cutout tool with one 5 amp hour battery and one 2 amp hour battery in the charger for $219. That's saving $179. That's 45% off. It's a decent deal on there. I think during the holiday time, it would have been like priced at $199 for the same exact kit. And then I think this was one of the tools as an option you can get for free. So it is an extra $19 or $20 here today. And then next up is a pretty decent deal on the DeWalt Power Stack batteries. It's a 5.0 Power Stack as well as a 1.7 amp hour one for $134. And that's saving $147. That's 52% off. And then also includes a 4 amp charger as well. So that is a pretty decent deal on that one. And then next up is the Milwaukee Ultimate Job Site Tool Backpack. It's a 15-inch one for $95. It is saving $34. That's 26% off. I'm going to just scroll on down here to the next Milwaukee option, and that's on the M18 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. They have that with two 5 amp hour batteries for $327. They say it's saving $252, and that's 44% off. It is a decent deal on it, especially considering they keep raising the price of the Rocket lights. And here's another good deal here on the 3-pack of the Milwaukee M12 5.0 batteries. They are the high output ones. The 3-pack of them is $204. That's saving $175. That's 46% off. The batteries by themselves are around like the $130 mark each. So it is a decent savings right there to get 3 of them for $204. And they are excellent batteries. And then next up is a 2-pack of the Forge 6.0 batteries for $302, saving $156. That's 34% off. So I guess if you just need some Forge batteries, it might be the way to go, but I'd recommend going for a kit that does include the Forge batteries. And then next up is the M18. It's a 2-tool combo kit of the hammer drill and impact driver with two 5 amp hour batteries, charger, hard case, and as well as the Rocket light for $428. That's saving $200. That's 32% off. Now we'll get into some Ryobi options. They have a deal again on the 2-pack of the cordless fans. They are the hybrid ones. You could plug an extension cord into them and power them that way, in addition to the 18-volt batteries. The 2-pack of them is $69 here today. It's saving $49. I believe they had these fans priced at like $59 each. It is a decent savings right there to get 2 of them. I have the older versions of this fan. I use it every day. They're awesome. And then next up is the Ryobi 18-volt 2-tool combo kit with a circular saw and drill driver, and they have that paired with the oscillating tool. It does have 2 batteries with that for 136 bucks, saving 122. That's 47% off. It is a decent deal there, but these are going to be brush tools, just so you know. And they have the same 2-tool combo kit of the drill driver and circular saw, this time with the fan for the same price at 136, saving $102. 43% off. And they brought back a deal again on the 2-pack of the clamp speakers for 55 bucks, saving 73. That is 57% off. And here's a pretty good deal from Rigid on the 2 amp hour battery starter kit with the charger for only 34 bucks. That's saving $59. That's saving 64%. So it is a good deal right there. And it is a 2 amp hour battery, but for 34 bucks, you really can't beat that. And then next up is a deal from DeWalt. It's on the recip saw with the 5 amp hour battery and 4 amp charger for $219, saving $219, 50% off. I do think this was one of the options that they had during the holiday time, but you were going to be getting the 2 amp hour battery like the kit above, showing that deal for the $219 on that drywall cutout tool. But this one, you are getting 1 less battery for that price. And then next up is another DeWalt deal on the Power Stack 2-pack of the 3.5 amp hour batteries for 126 bucks. Saving 173, 58% off. It is another decent deal there on the 2 batteries. And here's a pretty good deal on the Milwaukee M18. It's the 1-inch impact wrench. So this thing is a beast. And that's $463. And that's saving $436. That's 48% off. I believe this has like 1,800 pounds. Yeah, 1,800 pounds of nut busting torque. So it's very powerful. And they do say it's up to 7 pounds lighter weight, I guess, compared to other models out there. And they do have other storage solutions for the garage walls. And then they have a pack out of the backpack and pack out cooler bag for 189, saving only 20 bucks. That is only 10% off. And again, only 10% off on the tool belt. And they do have saving 20% on this 2-pack of the tool belt and the job site backpack for $184. And this one, again, is only saving 11%. Not much of great savings on these different Milwaukee options. This one is saving 24% on the 9-pocket utility pouch for 28 bucks, saving 9. And then again, they have the backpack with the steel spring assisted knife for $114. That is saving 35 bucks. That is 23% off. So decent savings there. And a couple other Milwaukee options too for the tool bags and the individual bags as well for $124, saving 35, 22% off. Another backpack option with the screwdrivers as well as the fast bags for $129. That is saving 40 bucks. That's 24% off. And that's basically it for the deals for today only at homedepot.com as well as lowes.com. And I will have links down in the description below. And I'll have other individual product links as well that they will have for today only. So if you did enjoy this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.